Hey guys, this is Teresa. My name is Teresa Stolfi, for those of you guys who don't know me. And I just wanted to share some information with you guys. If you've ever wanted a website and you really had no idea where to start, like how to get started, seemed overcomplicated to you, and you just didn't even know which way to turn, so you don't do anything because when we're confused, we don't we don't move forward. And I wanted to take some time out of my day and share with you some of the amazing options that we have right at our fingertips. Now, I'm a person that likes to be technical about things. I've been in IT for many, many years. And I thought that for people who run small businesses, sometimes we just want to run our businesses. We don't want to know about some of the other things. You know, it's kind of like a doctor who just wants to be a doctor. He doesn't want to know about finances and business and all those other things. But unfortunately, the world we live in today, we are kind of required to have those extra skills. So let's not make them too scary. Let's go ahead and go through some things that we can have together and help you grow your own business. So whether you've ever wanted to have a website for your own business, maybe you've heard of landing pages or funnels and places that you want to send people to, or whether you have a hobby that you just want to share with people, then this message is for you. Okay. So we're just going to get started with a website. We also have internet sales that you can do. You can do online classes. You can monetize those online classes. Whatever it is you're looking to do, you can do with this program that I'm going to share with you. Save yourself at least $3,000 annually, easily. And the good news is it's free. So pretty cool stuff. And there's no strings attached. So I want to make sure that you're clear on that. I hate when you watch a video and all of a sudden they're like, oh, buy this, buy that, buy that. No, there's no strings attached. This is a free account. So we have funnels, we have sales funnels. People are like, what are they? They're all the buzz. Sales funnels really don't end. Okay. If you think about it, funnels go in, you go into a funnel and you come out of a funnel, and we're in funnels all the time. They actually start even before you know one's happening. So if we think about places that provide services, they are a funnel. We're in a funnel all the time. If you think about when you go to a fast food restaurant, for example, we go there with an end goal in mind, hopefully. Um, so we enter the restaurant, we're already making decisions. We know which restaurant we wanted to go to, we picked it, we've entered the door. Now we're looking at the menu, we're looking at a bunch of list options that we can have. Going to go ahead and pick some stuff from the menu board. We're going to pay for our order. They typically will ask us if we want to do add-ons or, change anything on our order. Those are all part of the funnel. And then we come out the funnel on the other side with getting our meal. So that's just one example of a funnel that I think people can relate to, but it's no different depending on regardless of what service it is you're offering or what product it is you're offering. Customers leave with more knowledge. They want to feel that they have more information by doing business with you or coming into your store or your establishment. Um, there's additional items that we get with a funnel that will provide some extra value to us too. There's also presentations that we get to get engaged with. So I have some additional items that they're going to be offered with you or to you for this. So how do we create a funnel? There is some really cool software to do it, and you guys might have seen some. I know there's a lot on the market, but there's one that I really want to highlight today. There is websites that are built in things like WordPress, maybe you've heard of that, or Divi. Those are some big ones on the market. So kind of what's the difference between them and a sales funnel software? Spell it out for me. What's the difference? Well, the product gets hard to direct people through your funnels because it starts to get a little bit scattered all over the place when you're on a website, right? Because you can't hold those people in one particular spot. They might move on. And honestly, you've done it yourself, right? Where we go to a website, can't find what we're looking for in a few seconds, and guess what? We leave. So the idea of the funnel is to build some value in the funnel so that people come, they stay, and they do business with you. Now I'm recording this video at the end of October 2020 or mid-October 2020 for Groove Funnels. It's currently in beta testing. And what that means is basically you have an option to get in on a ground floor of a company that hasn't been completely up in production yet. So it's coming soon, but we're not as of right now. So if you're watching this video, maybe after the fact or later down the road, this offer might not be open. But the good news is the limited or the unlimited offer, the free account, is for lifetime. So you can sign up, get your free account, jump into my Facebook group, and we can get building. All right. I wanted to make sure we give people the opportunity to know about all the different bonuses that there are to offer. But with the free account, you get up to three sites with unlimited pages. You also get a free SSL certificate. Now, some of you are like, what do all those terms mean, Theresa? I have no idea. Well, we'll get to all those, but they're important things that you need when you do have a website or a landing page or a funnel. So you need them. And the good news is that they're free. Okay, so there are paid versions as well, but I'm talking today about the free version because I want everybody to go ahead and be able to get started where it is they're feeling comfortable with. So the one-time fee offer that they have two going on for us that are in beta testers, really to become founders in the company, to get started with them. This software is typically $100 or more per month. So there's an option to do that. So when we looked at the paid version, if that's something that you want to check out, it's definitely an option for you. Again, I really wanted to show you the value in the free version. Okay, you can always upgrade later. So who developed this? If we take a look at the developer, his name is Mike Filsame. He's considered the godfather of internet marketing. He's been around for a very long time. He's a programmer, and he started some pretty amazing companies, or has affiliation with pretty amazing companies like Carta, and Webinar Jam, if you've ever heard of that one, EverWebinar. So we have those packages or those things integrated into the paid versions as well. So with that, I just want you to go ahead, consider jumping in, getting your free account, joining me. Let's get building. We'll have the privilege right in our private group to really share trainings and information so you won't feel like you're overwhelmed, because it can seem a little bit overwhelming, especially if you're new to all of this. And we'll learn as we go. So we'll do live examples that you can follow along with. And in my trainings, I'll even be helping other people build their funnels as we go. So I think it's a win-win situation for sure. But what you want to do is make sure that you get connected with me. You're going to get some additional amazing bonuses in addition to that group and just really the online training that I want to offer to everybody. And with that all said, what are we waiting for? Let's get out there, get that free account, click on the start button, and let's get grooving, you guys. Let's start building some things. We'll talk to you soon. See ya.